Hi, this is Ted from Carlsbad, and I wanted to tell you about Select Home Improvements. You know, when I moved into my condo, I knew that I was going to have to get a new sliding door. The original one, it just wasn't working that well. Select Home Improvements came out, told me exactly what they were going to do, and then showed up on time, did the job, cleaned up, so my place was even cleaner than it was before. And let me tell you something, I am so happy with my new door. I can't even tell you how much it's improved my home and even what my home is now worth. Select Home Improvements is absolutely amazing. They take pride in their work and you can tell. Now, I would highly recommend them to anyone, family, friends, even strangers. Check them out, Select Home Improvements.